Okay, even in your personal life अगर आप देखने जाओगे ना, तो इधर this all these emotions, all these things will always come. अच्छा, now what was the last year, do you remember, during the pandemic, where were we? Before the pandemic किधर थे, और after the pandemic where did we go during
Before
the
the
pandemic?
before we was like I think we were in Euphoria or between Euphoria and
Yes,
Thrill.
yes,
Between
perfect,
Euphoria and Thrill.
perfect, perfect. पैंडेमिक के वक्त किधर गए?
Anxiety, denial, fear, depression.
All these emotions together. Okay.
Now hope and relief.
नहीं, अभी तो हम लोग ऑलरेडी पहुंच गए थ्रिल के पास. अच्छा, now what has happened? अच्छा, now in 2008 also same thing happened. Okay. अच्छा, now do you know why ये ऑप्टिमिज्म से यूफोरिया ऊपर जाने के लिए सालों लगा था? पर from euphoria to go to depression it took us only 3 months. Do you know why? Fear, stronger emotion than greed ना. Greed दो ही चीजें ना मार्केट में, 3 चीजें मार्केट में, fear, greed and hope. और 3 है ही नहीं. There's no fourth emotion. 3 ही emotion है which are dominated by 2, fear and greed. Fear and greed is what? Bulls and bears. Bulls are what? Greedy. Bears are fearful. Correct or no?
Right.
यही है तो मार्केट में, यही है और कुछ नहीं. यू गो टू लुक एट एनी मार्केट, वेदर इट्स द वर्ल्ड मार्केट, अमेरिका का मार्केट, इंडिया का मार्केट, या यू लुक एट ऑस्ट्रेलिया, लुक एट जापान, लुक एट एनी मार्केट, ऑल आर डोमिनेटेड. Same. अच्छा, why is it the same?
Like same is with crypto.
Yeah,
3-4 months
same.
back, people are saying 60,000 Bitcoin or it will go to 1 lakh, and once it start falling, it fell to 50% in 10-15 days, and it took around 6 months to climb to 50%.
Absolutely. Acha, when is the time when everybody sells?
Most of everybody sells. This between fear or panic.
Correct. When is the time when everybody buys?
Thrill or between thrill and euphoria.
Correct. तो अपने को क्या करने का है? उल्टा. We need to buy out here, which is the most scary part, but this is why the fear is there, no? Which fear do you use? That you have to see. Most of the people will use this fear. We use this fear कि opportunity. I'm not saying you perfectly get it right and buy in depression. वो तो किसका होने वाला भी नहीं है. You cannot buy 10% the lower. See, you only play 80% in the market. 10% of the high you cannot sell, and 10% of the low you cannot buy. You'll always buy in the middle or sell in the middle. You will never know when the high is and when the low is. Nobody can tell you that. मैं भी नहीं खुद बोल सकता हूँ. Not even the best expert can tell you. Correct or no?
Right.
Historically, since 1999 का जो निफ्टी का P ratios है इधर दिखा है. Okay. See, can you see 1999 January?
Yeah, 12.
So technically, when the markets were 38, 41, 40 this time, and this red shows that they were in the overbought zone. Right. Overbought matlab because it was so high. But can you see now 28 पे again they've become red, but not so red at 40. But if you see at 40, the market didn't do anything. ज़्यादा ऊपर नहीं गया. Stocks are moved up. I'm talking about Nifty, huh?
If I have to put the stop loss, I will wait for some confirmation. अगर confirmation नहीं आता, then why would I take a stop? तो अभी के लिए this low should be my stop loss, which is my break even point. तो मेरा loss भी नहीं होएगा, but I will not wait for so long. You're understanding? मैं इतना टाइम के लिए ठहरूंगा नहीं.
Will exit earlier.
हाँ, तो I will see what the market does and see the stock and see क्या हो रहा है, then I will exit. वैसे भी मेरा अलर्ट है, मेरा अलर्ट है above 290 and अच्छा ये 275 तो मेरे को 284.65 ये 286.50 ओके 286.50 मतलब हाई टूटेगा and 284.50. So I'm playing a 2 rupees range. Does that make sense? क्योंकि आज expiry है.
What set up? What is this you set up?
Alert. Price alert.
इसमें लगाया आपने ट्रेडिंग में अपने उसमें?
नहीं ये मेरा शेरखान का सॉफ्टवेयर है. शेरखान मोतीलाल सब में.
इस रेंज में आएगा तो you will get a message.
Yes. Then I will see what to do. Because I cannot sit and stare at the screen full day, no?
You can put a stop loss also on both at
No,
this
but
price.
stop loss I can't put because stop loss of my call strategy will be different. इसके लिए मैंने alert लगाया because the stop loss of my call strategy will be different from the stop loss of the trade. Does that make sense?